Service in Milwaukee Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Washington County in southeastern Wisconsin, central Dodge County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 7:45 p.m. At 7 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Beaver Dam, moving east at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Beaver Dam, Hartford, Slinger, Horicon, Juneau, Hustisford, Iron Ridge, Addison, Rubicon, Lebanon, Woodland, Neosho, Clyman, Lowell, Neno, Holy Hill, Alenton, South Beaver Dam, Minnesota Junction, and Munches. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is the